Spring warning. Don't skip the low pressure switch check. Check your AC's low pressure switch to prevent damage. Spring weather can be tricky with warm days and rising humidity. Low suction pressure can cause ice on the coil, leading to shutdowns. Common causes of low pressure trips include low refrigerant and dirty filters. Signs you may have a low pressure issue include weak cooling and ice on lines. During a spring checkup, we ensure every component works perfectly. Message Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning to schedule your spring checkup.